Okay, so this street right here is called Calçada de Santo Agostinho, and we're gonna walk up it. There's St. Augustine's church up there, Augustine, and there's a little bit of a fog on my camera, I'm not sure, but I'll kind of let you know where we are right now. So we're on something called Avenida de Praia Grande, which is where the ocean used to be. And we'll just kind of capture that. It's right. Can't see it very well, but there's a sign. But this whole sign used to be a beach right here, and then all everything over on that side. Now there's a lake over there, man-made lake, and all that stuff over on that side is all reclaimed land. And then this would have been where the traditional part of Macau used to be. And anyways, we're gonna be walking up Calçada de Santo Agostinho. Calçada is like sidewalk, sometimes, yeah, or maybe a small street, I guess, as well. Anyways, nice artwork. It's funny because that right there, Macau Tower, you can see it down that way behind that tree. You can just barely see it over there, but yeah, that Macau Tower is right there. Anyways, we're gonna go up. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay. Yeah, actually I think this one, the Macau Tower is here, and then there's also some rocks that are way down there too, so if we were to go all the way down, you would see some of that. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. Huh. Those look like shipping containers. Okay, so we're gonna walk up Calçada de St. Augustine's. Santo, Agostinho. And way up at the top you can see a green building way up there, and that's a theater. So I think we're actually going to include that as well in here. We'll see which, I think it goes up to St. Augustine. Let's continue here. I do kind of like how the sidewalk is up here. And yeah, that's Big Beach Road. So Big Beach Road, or Praia Grande. And that's where the ocean used to be. But anyways, we're going to be walking up here to St. Augustine's Church, and we'll probably continue down our road a little bit, just so we can put proper context to this street, and we'll see what's along the way. At the moment, we have this side, and I'm going to try to go over to the other side real quick as well. But I kind of like how that sidewalk goes down like that. Let's go over to this side. Okay, now you can see that theater up there ahead. That's this one right here. I don't know what's going on here, but I do like how these things are kind of set up like that. Like, just kind of see. Wish I was open. Yeah, you basically have all these apartments like that, kind of encircled, right? Okay, so let's look down our street. It's pretty cool. And you keep on going up. Yeah, kind of interesting spot. And actually this kind of stuff right here has a nice little corner. So that's a hair salon place. But it looks like you also have some little alley in here. And that's going to be, is what we're going to be heading towards. Let's kind of go in here real quick. I don't even know if this has a name, but there's the haircut place. This alley. Okay, Patio do Pagode. I think I've been in here before. I think people just use it to park their bikes. Let's just kind of make sure though. I love raining. So Patio de Pagode. And it looks like it does kind of go into a little labyrinth in here. I think that might be a temple down that way. Let's see. We're gonna go down both. We'll go down here real quick. Yeah, this is like somebody's home, but also looks like kind of a shrine. Okay. Somebody has like some nice rooftop right there as well. So yeah, this area has like quite a few patios as well, and I have gone in here before. So I don't know, I might combine the two streets, but I think we'll see. Oh yeah, this one goes. Oh yeah. There's another one with a lot of temple stuff. These are beautiful. I wasn't really planning to go this deep into it. It's so interesting. There's also some stairs that go up to the backside, right? Yeah, I wasn't planning to come all the way up here, into here. I have been in here before, but I kind of don't remember exactly where it was located at. But Patio de Pagode, like basically those, there's lots of those little shrines, right? So I guess that the street is named after those shrines. Correct me if I'm wrong, but Pagoda. Okay. So our target street, of course, is actually this one. I also like how the sidewalks are a little bit different in this area as well. We're gonna go across real quick. There's that hair salon place right there. And we're definitely gonna go up to that green building. Because I ended up in that pagoda, I don't know if I'll follow all the way to St. Augustine's Church. And I think this street has, I think this is called Rua Central. I think it goes all the way down, and it also goes down on the other side as well. Let me go across the street real quick. And we're gonna end up going up that way in a second. But yeah, so that's Rua Central. That's Calçada de Santo Agostinho, which is our target street. And we're gonna go up this one right here, which is up to the theater. So get some nice views. A lot of traffic here. But that was our target street right there. And yeah, this is kind of a nice little corner right here. So let's go up. So yeah, actually I heard that this street right here called Rua Central used to be kind of Main Street somehow. But I guess, you know, the other one was Big Beach Road. And so this one was like the one block in and up the hill a little bit. So that would be more business district, where the other one was more of the beach. And then yeah, but now it's changed quite a bit. The more of these little alleys. So this one I have walked in here, and there's more pagodas go all the way down into that little alley as well. And if you go all the way down that way, you go into Santo Square, which is kind of a main spot there. Up here is like Jesuits, I think. It's either Jesuits or Dominicans, which is just kind of pop in real quick. Yeah, there's a lot of actually I don't know, this one looks different. I think this might be a private residential maybe. So we're gonna see if we can go into here, and it looks like we can. And let me see, I forget which one is St. Augustine's Church, but this is the Jesuits. And I do want to overlook our street, but this is Lago de Santo Agostinho. The Jesuits and the Dominicans, I think, are the other group. Okay. to St. Augustine's Church right here. And we're kind of still on the St. Augustine stuff, so church looks like it's closed. Okay. So I think we're gonna come back and give you that view. But yeah, St. Augustine's is up there. This is Largo, the giant square of St. Augustine's. And now we're at the theater. Beautiful building. And we're just gonna walk all the way down to the end because our target street was down that way. Can't go down that way, but yeah, so that was our target street right there. St. Augustine's sidewalk, so I think Calzada. So I think, you know, basically this is St. Augustine's Church that we're in a theater, and the Jesuits, and there's actually a little bit more back there too. I think I'll do a separate video for all of that. I don't want these super long videos, but basically that street that we were just on was kind of a way to go down to the beach. But that beach wasn't really that much of a beach at the time. I guess it was kind of more like murky, muddy, silt kind of stuff. But anyways, that was down that way. So, you know, this would be the kind of a main street before, who was Central. That would be the parallel one to the beach. So everything down there was probably, I think there's like a giant kind of mansion kind of stuff, you know, that be more ocean view property. And this has been all the residential business stuff. So anyways, that was our focus. And we are here at St. Augustine's Church is right over there. And this is the theater. And on that note, we're gonna end it. Pretty cool. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Toma cuidado la